name is Bonnie Thompson, and I will be presenting a summary of a peer-reviewed article. This article covers research done on stretching and its effects on muscular hypertrophy, strength, and flexibility. Article title is Effects of Flexibility Training Performed Immediately Before Resistance Training on Muscle Hypertrophy, Maximum Strength, and Flexibility. Right, to give you a little bit of a background of this topic, there is a common consensus, at least among the fitness field, that stretching is overall very beneficial. The researchers of this article do agree stretching increases flexibility. However, it challenges the idea that stretching is beneficial for muscle strength and hypertrophy. The theory is that stretching may reduce neuromuscular adaptation, resulting in a decrease in a total training volume and a decrease in the ability to perform repetitions. The participants of this study consisted of 9 males, none of which engaged in any sports or resistance training in the past 6 months prior to the study. Each male was randomly assigned one leg to stretch before resistance training and one leg not to stretch before resistance training. Each leg was measured for hypertrophy, flexibility, and strength. Hypertrophy was measured by ultrasound of the vastus lateralis. Flexibility was measured at the knee joint with a gynometer, and strength was tested using a unilateral leg extension machine. There were 3 sets of data recorded for these measurements: prior to training, midway through training, and post-training. Training consisted of 2 weeks sessions, or for 10 weeks, for a total of 20 sessions. And the following charts list the resistance training and stretch criteria. The data revealed that stretching immediately before resistance training does in fact negatively affect muscle hypertrophy. However, it did not negatively affect max strength, and as predicted, it did increase range of motion. So some real-world applications and discussion about this study. The stretching was done immediately before the resistance training was performed, and there are other studies showing that if you wait 5 minutes or at least 5 minutes after stretching, it has different effects than if you go in straight into the resistance training like after stretching. So 30 seconds is a very short time span to go from stretching to training. So that could be considered in future research. The study also was limited. There was only 9 males, and they were all within their late 20s. The main takeaways are, if you're trying for strictly muscle hypertrophy, stretching directly before training is not a good idea. If you're going for max strength, stretching directly before resistance workout will not affect your 1 rep max. And of course, stretching before resistance workout will increase your flexibility. This is the reference for the article I reviewed, and that is the end of my presentation.